Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to Style with Nina. On today's video, I am going to bring you a sunglass haul. So I was doing some online shopping, and Nordstrom's or Nordstrom's Rack had a sale on some Quay sunglasses. I kept hearing so much about this brand Quay Australia that I wanted to go ahead. Some people say Quay, it's actually Quay. I wanted to, see, I'm going through a sunglass thingy because I have a lot of eyeglasses that I turn my sunglasses into prescription lenses. So when I wear contacts, like what I have on now, I don't have any glasses. So I decided to see if I can again save some money. And I keep hearing that Quay is just, supposed to be a nice sunglass brand. So we're gonna see. So I have my handy dandy mirror right here so that I can see how I like them. So I went a little, I don't think I went overboard, but I got 5 pairs. I ordered a couple more, but they were out. They had sold out. So I want to say they were like $25 a piece or $24 a piece, something like that. So okay, let's go ahead and get started. This is the first pair. It is called the Cafe Racer. Hopefully you guys can see me well. Can y'all see me? I hope so. Okay, so these are called the Cafe Racer. This is what they look like. Okay, these are cute. These are cute. I mean, if you want to just be kind of out the box. Oh Lord, my makeup is on. So the one thing I don't like about the white or the whatever color this is it looks like my makeup will stain this color. So I'm trying to take it off now. So anyway, let me show you guys what they look like. So as far as how do they feel, I wouldn't say they're high-end glasses. They're would I say they feel cheap? No, they feel about what I paid for them, which was I'm like, what is that? I know I paid less than $25 for these. Are they worth that? Yes, this pair is worth $25. Would I pay more than that for them? Absolutely not. So yeah. Oh, okay, here's another white pair of glasses. Okay, so the first pair, let me show you. The first pair came with, okay, I can't even open them. They came with this dust bag or eyeglass case. I guess that's cool. I don't really know how I feel about, I don't know. Let's keep going. The verdict is out. I don't know what you guys see behind me. Listen. I'm doing the best I can, y'all. Okay, so these are, let's see, does it have the name on them? Oh, here they go. So these are called the Vesper White Rose is what this is called. And it comes with a rose colored, so these are something, this Shay Mitchell. Let me see. Now I'm curious. So I guess this is these were probably a collaboration pair is what I'm thinking. Shay Mitchell. I don't know who that is. Do y'all know who that is? So, getting ready to really start making some posts on my blog. So I wanted some cute, you know, different glasses to go with my outfits. Okay, yeah, I'm really liking these, y'all. These are like outer space cool. Y'all see them? These is a yes. They feel good. They feel, come on, cat eye. Okay, so I like these. These are thumbs up. The first pair is I don't know. My makeup is still gonna get them dirty, but I feel like with this coating, they'll be okay. So these are a yes. I like them. They're funky. They got, you see how they have the, you can see my setup too. They have the rose, I guess that's what they call white and rose, because they have the rose, what is that lens called, y'all? The metallic mirror lens, that's what I'm looking for. I haven't eaten yet. It's like 3:30, which is not good. So I do intermittent fasting, so I usually don't eat till 1, sometimes 2, but it's like 3:30. Okay, and I'm feeling like a space cadet. Okay, so these are a yes. So I got me like 2 separate piles that I'm doing. So the ones I like is going over here. Okay, so this is the third pair. This pair is called Tort Brown, no, Subculture Tort Brown. I don't really like how they're packaged. I'm bougie, y'all. I just am what I am. I'm older, so, you know, I'm not in college or, you know, just starting off. So I like packaging. I like experiences. So I don't like the packaging. I don't like how it's coming. I just don't. So anyway, so here's the next pair. Okay, so these look cool, retro. They're kind of similar to the white ones. I may have to, let's see if they're the same. Okay, so the white ones are a little white, like bigger, and then these are not. I like the way these feel though, I'm not gonna lie. These feel a better quality than the first pair. So this is pair number 3. I mean, you know, they're cute. You know, these are like, so this is where Quay would fit into my lifestyle. So these are cool traveling glasses. Like if I'm traveling out of the country, I want to be, you know, cute, but I don't want to lose or somebody steals my high-end stuff. Then this is when I would use Quay. I mean, because it looks good. That's cute. That's real cute. So these are a yes. So pair number 3 will go into the yes pair. Okay, so this says Top Shop exclusive. So like I said, I got these from Nordstrom Rack. If I can link anything, I will. I've been sitting on these for about 2 weeks, so y'all know how I do. I shop, I put it all over to the side, and then I wait till I can record. So that's what is happening here. So okay, so we got 2 in the yes pile, 1 in the maybe pile. Okay. So we're on pair number 4. I can just tell by how these feel. These feel like kiosks in the middle of the mall. I mean, those have its place too. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's a no for me, not for $25. I don't know though, y'all. It's cute. They cute. I don't know. They cute. I don't. What y'all think? Pair number 4. Should I keep them or should I return them? These is looking cute. I don't know. What you think? What y'all think? Leave your answers in the comment section. Okay. I don't know about these. So these are gonna go in the maybe pile. I know I need to hurry up and make a decision because Nordstrom has changed their return policy for the rack, where it used to be, used to have 3 months, and I think they cut that in half. So when did I order these, Jesus? To have the beads. Ooh, March 25th is when I ordered them. That's not when they came. So I need to hurry up because it's almost April 25th. Excuse me, my allergies. Okay, so this is the final pair. These look too small. Oh wait, so the third pair, what did I call them? So these were called To Be Seen, Topshop exclusive, in gold and pink. I don't know about them, and I really don't know about these. These look too small. I thought these were gonna be, I want some round glasses, and I'm trying really hard to not get the Fendi ones that I want. I want the Fendi round glasses with the F's or whatever. I'm trying hard, y'all. I'm trying to be better. And you know, they're okay. I'm not in love with them. I'm not in love with them. I actually like the 4th pair better than these. So if I had to pick, I probably would let's just see. Okay, so that's these. What y'all think about these? What is this called? Okay, so these are called It's a Sin, and black and blue is the color. So what y'all think about these? I mean, you know, they're cool or whatever. I do like the mirror effect, but they're just not enough for me to keep them. Like if I'm a keep them, I want to pull them out, and these are just so these will probably go back for real. But if you like them, I'm going to, and if I can link them, I'll leave them in the description box. But yeah, they just feel like cheap glasses. So that's just the best I can describe them. Okay, so these, like I said, are called It's a Sin. If they were bigger, like I wanted it to be bigger and rounder, and they're just little, so it's a no for me. So this is going to the no pile. Let's try on number 4 one more time, and you can tell me whether I should keep these or not. I mean, they're funky. I like them. They're funky. I mean, you know, for a mirrored glass, they're cute. I just don't know if I would pull them out. Like my son got me some glasses that are very similar to these, but I like them because they're bigger. I like big glasses, so we're gonna see. These are maybe. Depends on how y'all vote. Okay. Well, that is the end of this video. I wanted to make it short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, stay stylish and stay fabulous. Mwah. So yeah, that's it.